Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by drawing the coordinate axes and choosing a sensible scale. Make sure ticks are evenly spaced so distances represent equal units. Next, identify domain restrictions and any vertical or horizontal asymptotes. This tells you where drawing is allowed. Once done, compute x and y intercepts so you have fixed anchor points. These first steps place reliable reference marks. Without them, the graph will wander. You'll use these anchors to plot characteristic points in the next phase. Now calculate and plot specific points, intercepts, local maxima and minima, and any inflection points. Write down values so you can place them precisely. Then evaluate the function at intermediate x values to get at least 5 plotted points. This helps reveal curvature between critical points. Also check derivative signs or approximate slopes between plotted points to know whether the curve rises or falls. Once you have shape and slope info, lightly sketch the smooth curve that connects those points. Finish by drawing a smooth curve through the plotted points, making sure it approaches asymptotes without crossing them improperly. You should reflect slope changes at peaks and inflection points. Once done, step back and check proportions. If something looks off, add more sample points in regions with rapid change. Make sure to label intercepts and asymptotes clearly. If the curve unexpectedly crosses an asymptote or behaves oddly, re-evaluate algebra and sample values. Small arithmetic errors often cause major visual mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.